So what I want to do is I want to show you that this actually exists, that I'm not just making this up, that water will magically move if there's a difference in concentration. So this is a time lapse we're going to watch. It's called Osmosis in a YouTube, okay? And I'm going to kind of narrate it. So it says 2M sucrose on the left and distilled water on the right, okay? So on the left, all you need to know is we've got a sugar water, and on the right, we have plain water. Okay, and this took 72 hours. So if you notice, here's the sugar water on the left, okay, it is rising up, okay, because the distilled water over here is moving to the left-hand side. Now notice, they dyed this red so we could see the change easier, okay, sugar water is not red, it's normally clear, and they have the membrane in between here, all right, but this just goes to show you that it's going to try to even out the concentration, and by doing that, it's going to move water from the distilled water side to the side with all the sugar water, okay? And that's what causes this to rise up on the YouTube, okay? So that's a real life thing. We could do it if we wanted, but it took 3 days, okay? Now, I don't know about you, but I don't really want to wait 3 days. So instead, we'll just watch a YouTube clip. So right now, after I'm done, the sub's going to hand out the YouTube osmosis worksheet, and what I'm going to have you do is do some coloring, okay? So it says, ignore the fact that these are numbered incorrectly. You guys can still follow them in order. The large circles represent sugar molecules. So these big circles are sugar, color them yellow. The small circles are water on both sides, okay? So you have to color them blue, and then it asks you which side has more water molecules in it, the left or the right, which side has fewer water molecules. And then it's going to ask you, water moves from high to low, draw an arrow showing me which way the water is going to move. Same thing over here, except for this time we've got salt. So we've got triangles representing salt. All right, and this is just an easier way that you guys can visualize what's going to happen here. And then down below, it says find the percentage of water on each side using the following. The percentage of water equals 100% minus the percentage of sugar. So remember, the percentages always have to equal 100. So this is 37. So what does my water have to be? Well, my water is going to be 100 minus 37. Okay, so same thing, and then draw arrows showing which way the water will move. And remember, it always goes from high to low. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing on this worksheet. It should be fairly straightforward. If you have questions, though, ask the sub, ask a friend. You can ask me when I get back. Okay, and then just a reminder, a couple things. Parent-teacher conferences, Wednesday and Thursday from 4:30 to 6:30. Okay, quarter one ended last week. All right, so we're halfway through the semester. And then you guys do not have school on Friday. We have another work day, so no school on Friday. Wednesday, we're going to have that quiz, okay? So I'll review with you guys tomorrow for that quiz, but just a reminder that Wednesday we're going to have that quiz, okay? All right, you guys know where the colors are. They're over by the green bulletin board, and when you're done, put this worksheet in my basket. All right, if you have any other work that you did not finish from any of the other days, some of you guys, I didn't get your book assignment or your grape lab. If you have not finished those and you have extra time today, you need to finish those and put them in my basket. All right? All right, have at it, and I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow.